Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use TikTok emojis. So open TikTok application on your device and then go to the comment section, and then at the bottom side of the screen go to the box that allows you to write a comment. Within the square brackets, you should type the specific emoji code. So let me show you how to do it. Find on your keyboard this square brackets and type specific emoji. For example, I will type smile and then close the bracket. And now you see that this code has turned into like TikTok emoji. This specific emojis are exclusive to TikTok, and they are not available on the standard emoji keyboard. So if you go to emojis, you will not see it right here. So it's exclusive thing. And basically these comments can be used to add fun and unique touch to your interactions on the platform. And if you want to post your comment, press this red button to publish. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.